Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealer. In the previous lecture, we have talked about how to load CSS file into the Django. So now in this lecture, we will talk about the Crud programming. So Django Crud, so it is a stands for Crud, means it's create, retrieve, update, and delete. So let's start. If you want to get more information about the Crud Django, so you can also switch to our website. The website is the www.salesforcedealers.com. After the opening page, click on the Learn Python section. Then click on the Django CRUD. Okay, guys. So we will start from the first project. So it's command. So cd to the desktop. So Python. So Django dot admin start project. It's Salesforce Trailers. Okay, guys. So cd Salesforce Trailer. So Python manage.py create app is my app. It's a CRUD. Sorry, it's a Django's admin start app is my app. It's a CRUD. So start app, it's CRUD. Now you can see it has successfully created. Now opening the Sublime, load the project on the Sublime. So what we have to do, first we have to open the setting. Now we have to register the app. So name is CRUD. Okay, guys. Now click on the model. So first we have come to URL page. So from crud dot views import star. Now we have make the path so blank. So here is a create. First we will be create. So save it. Now what we have to do, so open this model. So now we have create a model here. So class name is sales model. Now model dot model. So here we will take the name as the models dot char field. So max length is about 50. Now we will take message models dot char field is a max length about 60 also. Okay, guys. So now we will create a file. So now we have creating the file. The file name is a form.py. So I'll take the name is it is a forms. Okay, guys. Now my name is forms. So now open the Sublime. click on the forms.py. So from Django, import forms. Okay, guys. So from dot models, import cells model. So I am importing this models. Okay, guys. Now I'm importing this model in the forms area. So now I make the cells form and passing forms dot model form. It's create the form of your corresponding models. So class meta, so model equal cells model. Now I'm taking the field equal. I'm taking the both field. Name is first is the name. Okay, guys, and second is message. I'm taking the both file. So now what we have to do, click on a view section. Now we have create the views for that. So from dot forms, import cells form. Okay, guys, now I'm importing the cells form, which is that it is a sales form. Okay, so it is a cell form. Now from dot models, import what we have import, it is a cells model. So I am here importing the cells model. So now create the def create. I'm adding this on my URL section, so you can see it is a create. So now it is a create is take the request, the context, it is my blank dictionary. It's a my blank. So what is that? If you are in the Python, if you are creating like that, so what it will be? If you check the type, now this is dictionary, so here we have created the dictionary. So now I have made the form, its object, the cells form. Okay, guys, now let's take the request. Okay, guys, dot if post or none, then if form is valid, then form dot save. It will save if the form will be a valid. Now context, so here it is a form, and copy this form. So I am copying this form. Now what we have to do, so click on the HTML file, which is the create. Okay, guys, now we have opening the HTML file. So create the HTML file. So now we have written render request, so create dot html along with the context. Okay guys, the context is defined here. So let's save it, and now we have created the template folder into the Crud. So templates, so here we will create save into the templates. So create.html, create.html. So now, so here we will take the from method is post, is my method is a post. Now it's a security, the security token. So here I use the curly braces and percentile for CSRF tokens. It will prevent from the SQL injection token and percentile. Now here we will print the form as a paragraph. Okay guys, now take the input, the type, input type is submit, it's a value will submit. Okay guys, now I'm closing this form. So here I'm closing this form and save it. Now command cd the desktop area. So now I'm coming on the cd, the Salesforce. So now Python manage.py, make migration. So here is something wrong, some form is valid. So let's check. Open the Sublime. It's a view section. So here we use like that. Okay. So now again we have make the migration. Is what is invalid that? Let's check. So if I check the v, so here we use the form dot is valid. Okay guys, now we have saved this. Again we have run this program. So now it's a model form. Okay, so let's open the model form. Open the forms.py. So what is the sales form? Okay, so now it's from Django import forms. Okay, so class is a model form. See here is a f in a caps letter. So let's run again. So now okay, it is a issue that it is creating the issue to import the file, the sales form. Now open the model, open the view. So give the full name. So crud to crud dot forms, it for the sales form. Okay, now I can see. So what is the name? So click on the view. Okay, it is so first we have also click on the views and from Django dot shortcuts import get object or for it's not found error. So also importing the render and also import the http response redirect. So http response redirect. Okay guys, so let's see, run this program. So again it's going to import error. So let's see. So here I am using the sales forms. F is the in caps letter, but here is the in a small letter. So that's why it's given the error. Now check into the model 2. So here is the model. Yes, M is caps in caps letter. Now here is also in a caps letter. So let's run this again. So now you can see the creating cells model successfully. So now Python manage.py, it's creating the migrate. So now Python manage.py run server. So now run this program. So here we will see local host. So local host is 8000. So here is request is not defined. So here is the make the mistake in the request section. So where it is? So returning the render file. So open the view. So here is a request. Now run this again. So now you can see the name and message and submit button. So that's it for this session guys. In next lecture we will talk about the another part of the video. So it is a part 1 video. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you guys.